video. As I can already tell by the title, we'll be going on there, trying to get these spark plugs on real quick. 6-4 HEMI now. So we're gonna start with just basically taking off these little plastic covers. Basically, up here, take these engine covers off. So by taking off these right here, which is like just at least a 10 mil. I think it's a 10 mil, yeah. So I'm gonna grab that real quick. Alright, so first thing what you wanna do is start by taking off these engine covers, which is like these right here. As you can see, that leads you up to these little four, what they call coil packs. I ain't gonna take the coil back, but start taking these and loosening this up, and then taking these out. But first, before you even do any of that, I'm gonna come back here and disconnect this battery, negative terminal. Come back through here. Just gonna disconnect that. We're gonna get it ratchet up for that. Alright, got the battery disconnected now. It's time to getting these off now. But before we even do all that, first we'll do show y'all. Got these right here. Got 16 of them, you know, it's a 6-4, 16. Before I even do anything, I actually want to gap these. Now they said they come pre-gapped, but I'm just gonna go through each one of these and make sure that they all, you know, the 0.34, 0.044, whatever it is, 0.44. Pretty sure what it is for the scat pack. So I'm gonna gap these real quick, make sure they all right and everything, and we'll go from there. All right, y'all. Now that we got these finally gapped, they're all good, no cracks, nothing like that. So I believe these are the right ones. I got the NGK, the iridium ones, the shit, damn, the most expensive ones. So I mean, let's get it. I'm gonna pop it today, so if we get this done. So I'm gonna take these out, push in. Should these come up all the way? We just push in. Should just better slide these off. Not damaging anything. There we go. Oh wow. Shit! What's all this broke? Oh, please don't break on me.
Drop them both. There we go. We can get a little bit of the way. Go right through.
Like so. Like that. There you go. Boy, it's heavy as shit. So that was the first one. Keep that right there. You got some dielectrical grease we're gonna put in there. So we got our spark plug socket. Let's see if we can get in there and get that bad boy out. And they got this shit tight. I got it loose, but it's just not coming out. I don't understand. Let's do it by hand. Let's see if that works. You can see I'm really twisting it by hand, so it's actually loose. I don't know if it's getting any more looser. I don't know. Let's see. There we go. This is what they look like. And goddamn. I don't know if that's supposed to how it looks like right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's it looks pretty bad. And this ain't even, what brand is this? Oh, that's the NGK. Yeah. NGK? Damn. Look at all that goddamn. Yeah, it's time for these to get replaced. If I do say so myself. Now I'm gonna do the first one first, and then we're gonna do just one at a time, because this is, like I said, it's 16, and this is only one. It took me like 5 minutes just to get one out. Like, holy crap. So I'm gonna keep going down. Sorry if it gets a little boring, but let's get it. Alright, so we got the two out of here, right? We just go down the line. And I feel like the spark plugs are going to be the hardest part about this. I'm being honest with you guys. Like I said, I don't work with my cars. Never have. $1,200 for a goddamn spark plug exchange, replacement, whatever you want to call it. A tune-up, basically. Just a tune-up. $1,200? Damn. Like, damn. Why y'all taxing so hard?
There you go. That's the second one right there for you.
One thing. God damn, they tighten the fuck out of these things. Like, I almost like. Crazy. There we go. Alright, let's get this fourth one. This is only the fourth one, so after I get this out, we will be a quarter of the way there. So, that's cool. I'm trying not to squeak it. I don't want none of that little shady shit in here. That was a little easier than the last one. Shit. There we go. I think I'm gonna do two at a time and then do the next two. That way we don't get anything confused. These are the new ones right here. That's what they supposed to look like. That's what they were looking like. So, I mean, yeah, it's safe to say it's about time to get those in place for sure. That's the first thing you want to do is firstly just hand tighten. That's the first thing you want to do. Just slide in there. Just like this. Right there. So we got that one in. That's one. Slide it in like that. Go to the next one. Pop it in real easy. You don't want to crack them. Make sure you twist it and tighten it real slow. Make sure you're not cross-threading it.
Shift will tighten it up just like that. That's my hand.
Those are the first two. Let's get the next torque wrench. Let's say about 13 to 15. I'll try to put this on like 15 if I can. We'll just see. Hopefully, it tightens the spec. I mean, honestly, these were tight as shit. So I mean, I feel like that shouldn't be a problem. You know what I mean? Am I even like tightening this? Am I tripping? Like, I know I'm not tripping, right? Like, did you get him? I feel like I just been doing this for a minute. What the hell? I don't think I feel like even getting. There we go. Alright, that is the first two, and of course, what y'all do with these, I have a little bit of grease on the way side right now. Let's see if I can find it. There we go. Little dielectric grease spark plug, little boot protector stuff right here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, just a tiny bit. As you can see, they already kind of did some. This little white stuff right here. Put a little bit on the edge, pop them back in, and that's literally it. You gotta do that for each and every you see these spark plugs in there, each and every one. So that was 2, 4, still got 6, 8, and that's just the passenger side. Then you gotta do the right side, and I'm gonna do this side, finish this up, and I'm gonna show y'all what to do on the next side, and we'll be back. Little update. So I got all these back in right here. I got 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6 smart plugs back in. Now this one, I got it disconnected up here. Got this one loosened right here. I cannot get this one back here though. For some reason, like I just cannot reach better. So I'm gonna come back to this one. This is literally the last one, at least on this side, the passenger side, that needs to be taken off. Like I said, I got this one loosened up. It's just this one like right back here because like, oh, that's like the wire harness, I guess. It's like all in the way. So I'm gonna come back. I think I'm gonna come back to get that one off. But until then, I'm trying to work on this side right here. Now this one's a little bit more complicated. You know, we got to take the air box off. So let's go and get that off real quick. All right, so back. Sorry, I kind of skipped through a lot. I kind of took the air filter out, as you can see, or the cold air intake, whatever you want to call it. Took that out. So I got the sensor in right here. I got all these taken out, replaced, everything. I got the little grease or whatever I put on the little boots. All these have been replaced. I mean, sorry I skipped through it. I mean, it's the same thing. Like the first, these two that I put on, it's the same exact thing. So I still gotta get this one right here, but everything else is set. I got 2 more spark plugs left, so I just got to put this back on, and then these are all set. Just gotta get that last one, and that's pretty much it. It's not too hard. I mean, it's fairly easy, just a little time consuming, a little tedious, but I mean, you got the right tools in there, you can pretty much do it yourself. Like I said, it's just a little time consuming, not too bad, but I'll show you what the after looks like. All right, so we're back. Finally got all the spark plugs in. We got everything put back together. Covers, everything over here. Finally got this one loose back here. It took me a minute. I know it's a little bit loose. I got to tighten that up some more though. And I'm using a 10 mil and a freaking goddamn pair of pliers to even get that out. So got a spark plugs in. We're going to see how it runs now. Also, took me a little longer too. Cause I ended up doing I don't know if y'all can be able to see this, but yeah, y'all probably won't be able to see it. Actually, yeah, you can. Right under here, I got I did the little exhaust delete, so I don't know if y'all can see that up there, but got the exhaust delete because I was tired of hearing those little flaps squeaking, so I put a little lithium grease, whatever it's called, in there. It still didn't do anything, so I mean, it's probably the flaps, faulty flaps or something like that. So I was going to do an exhaust delete, active exhaust delete, that is. Got everything going. We're going to go in, we'll see how this goes. case y'all didn't know, there was like a scratching noise, like a rattling noise in the back, which I could have sworn it was like the active exhaust. And it was, because I don't even hear it anymore. It sounds so much better. No scratching, like, oh my God. This shit sounds so much better. Feels better too, no rough idling, like, oh my God. So yeah, definitely needed those spark plugs, and like I said, the active exhaust delete, definitely needed that. No more of that noise, sounds a lot smoother, runs smoother. Shit, man. You already know. Look how many miles on here, bro. Look how many miles on here.